up from the Chattooga River at Burroughs Ford Road. We didn't get any footage on the way down, but it had just rained, so there was a little bit of mud and slop on the road. But anyways, I did take some pretty cool footage of the river down there, and I guess I'm gonna go ahead and throw together a video. We're heading back down to Burroughs Ford. We're gonna go hike to Kings Tree Falls.
Yeah, catch salamanders!
Kings Tree or Kings Creek?
Oh yeah, Kings Creek Falls.
Kings Creek Falls.
Alright, the waterfall was a success, and we just finished up eating some lunch. We are heading to another waterfall.
Yeah!
Just in time, because it started raining. Evan, what did you catch, buddy?
A crawfish.
A crawfish?
Yeah.
What happened to it?
It pinched me.
Eli, what did you catch?
A salamander?
Yeah.
Kind of a yellowish one, huh?
Yeah, it was this tiny.
Cool. What did you catch, Isaac?
A salamander.
You guys like your salamanders?
I think it was a tiger one. Yeah. Yeah, me too.
Cool.
What did you catch?
I caught 3 salamanders and crawfish.
Cool.
Alright, we're getting close. Wait, Isaac, slow down. Alright, guys, what did we catch in there?
2!
How many do you think we caught?
I don't know!
Don't yell.
10! 1,000! 10!
Did you stick some black ants in there with them?
Yeah!
What you doing?
Getting some moody spring water.
Oh.
It's not that cold. I was hoping it'd be really cold.
Water?
I don't know. I just keep seeing it. I was like, I may as well take a sip.
Good or bad moody?
I don't know. Good or bad moody? I don't know. We shall find out. So pretty. Ah.
water snake here by the waterfall.
He's got a salamander in his mouth.
Wow, that's a big one, Evan. Up camp and we're heading over to a waterfall called Sliding Rock. It's supposed to be like a natural water slide. It'll be the last thing we do on this trip before we head back home. But the drive over to this waterfall is really pretty. It's really beautiful here on this road, winding through the mountains.
Just accept defeat this time.
Defeat? What is that?
That's what you're gonna be if you fall in the river and you break your legs. Defeat. Defeated. Literally. Oh my gosh, Aaron. You look like a little inchworm. I know you.
He's just climbing up for a little lure.
Oh my gosh. All of this for a lure that you could buy for $3? Are you serious?
I couldn't buy that lure. It's in a tree.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know how he did that.
Very carefully. Why don't you go to the end
Really
and
slippery.
why don't you go to the end and just break the branch off?
I think that's a better idea.
This is making me kind of nervous, Aaron.
Already?
At least I'll have your death on video though.
You could have bought it for like $3. Literally.
You watch it over and over again?
Yeah. When I cry.
I would climb up it.
God bless you, Adrian.
You remember when I had it in the water and it swims all the way back?
Got our SOS beacon. So if you die, like, we can have your body shipped out. Oh. Aaron! Yes, he is. Head first, really? You think that's the best idea? Did you get it?
There's a bobber.
Green one! You got a green bobber!
Okay. Did you get the one you were looking for?
No, it's on the very end.
Oh gosh, Aaron, seriously?
Got a bobber! Bobber!
Oh, now I see it.
Oh, not a
In just a minute.
What if it snaps?
I know.
What if you tip it and that one branch
Aaron.
snaps?
You think it's gonna snap instead of just slowly releasing?
Well,
There's another red bobber. Where's it gonna chop it down?
Aaron, if the branch that you're pushing on snaps, you're gonna be SOL. Oh my gosh, no!
What?
This is not a good idea.
You could break your back.
Honey, I don't like it. Oh my gosh. I was joking though.
You can hold me.
he's testing his weight.
Oh my gosh, Aaron.
I just need to snap away.
Snap. Snap.
Oh my gosh, Aaron.
What are you doing? You're on the bar keyboard now. I can't believe what he's doing. I just can't watch. This is crazy. How are you doing this? Because he isn't having a Mommy was definitely Dad! Bobber! I want it!
Hey, chill.
Wait, where's the other one? Jenna, go help him. If he bends it down, you can try to catch it with your hand.
Don't go under him, Janelle.
I don't think he can bend it. Oh, I think it's better.
Can you get it for me now? Because I didn't get a loop.
Do not fall on her, Aaron.
You can always hang it to the tree.
Adrian, when I said
Yeah, unless all those branches right there fall off.
No, but they won't snap right away, so he'll
Ours
have time
has a red one.
Typically, it would release itself and you wouldn't just die, but
Typically. But it's
in my past
2020.
experience,
Aaron, it's 2020. Anything can happen apparently.
yeah, that's what we were after.
I like it.
Actually, there was one more while you're there.
Oh my God.
You see that fishing line hanging down?
I see it.
Come on the other side, Janelle. Oh, it's connected to a jig.
It will never get away.
See if you can pull on
It will never get
Pull on
away.
the line, see if it breaks.
Oh, that's it came over hook. But bait.
I don't know. Don't worry about it.
This has a hook and bait.
You're crazy.
Can I have the jig? No, I did. Only me.
Your daddy's gonna switch.
But I love ya.
I wanted. I just free. Yeah. I want the green one. I would like the pink one. Everything. I'm done with what. Give me the green one. I can't believe he did that.
Yeah, me neither. Actually, I kind of can believe it, but I'm glad he didn't get hurt. Spoke too soon.
How did you do that?
Very carefully. All right, here's the gold. Treasure at the end of the
Oh my gosh.
treasure at the end of the
How many
branch.
lures were up there.
I
All
want
of,
the big
all of that
one.
was right at
I
the
want
end.
This is one of the ones you were looking at, Lena.
Yeah, I want the pink one. I want that one.
Here,
Calm
we're gonna
down,
bring this
calm
back,
down.
and I'm gonna sort it through at camp.
Wait,
Okay?
Dad,